What is up, y'all? We're getting into this video, the live dirt bike police chase that goes across Los Angeles type shit. Let's play the mother yard. Oh, we got one guy to really. Whoa, we got more than one guy. We got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 times, about 3 times. We got 25 mother yards driving dirt bike. And then we got two quad. We got two quad, about 23 dirt bike then. Brother, what the LA happened to LA? What the fuck? This never happened where I'm from, bro. Goa, we drive pizza boxes around type shit. Stack of 15 on each little motorbike and we tip sometimes. That's the most crazy shit that happened in India type shit. Goa. That's where I'm from, Goa. From Goa type shit. But we're on Venice Boulevard and Magnolia Avenue type shit. 26 miles an hour, that's not very fast, but there are 25 motor yards. Stop me, please. And I only see 6 right now. Who knows what the other 25 went? I mean, imagine you're in the Prius right there, type shit. You're in that Prius and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 motor yards go around your car. And then 20 go straight, and then you got 3 that go right. And then the guy in the hot dog stand right there. You see that guy? But like the helicopter. Why you follow God? Why don't they follow the 20? They follow 3. Like they found 3. What do you... Like what? I wonder who started it. You know, I wonder who started to get the cops are active, you know? They're not going fast at cruising, you know, that's a vibe. Shit. I wish I get my dirt bike out of the shop and we can I go join these mother yards. Uh I live about 10 miles away. That's about a 25-minute drive from where I'm from type shit, from where I'm at. Do type shit. What are you looking at? And now they lost the mother yard. They go under the bridge and they don't know where they at. Because they want to fall tree. Dumb copper who's the pilot in this helicopter should lose his job type shit. You follow 3 mother yards and you lose all 3. You lose all 3. You dumb fuck. That guy lose job. Mother, I would have fought the pack of 20, bro. I mean, you lose a couple, you have 20. You fought 3 and you lose all 3. Now who you gonna catch? No one. How do you let a group of 20 mother yards get away? They zoom in and a homeless man. What the fuck? Homeless? What the? He didn't do nothing, I don't think. Or did they get out and walk? Or this guy get cooked? How'd you lose 3? You lose 3, man. Yeah, that's why I short the video. They lost him. I mean, they could be anywhere. That bridge go under for miles and miles type shit. Yeah, you're cooked, bro. So stupid fuck. Or they probably at clocking bad right now. Probably late for work. You probably make them late. Yeah, probably at clocking bell type shit. Hold on, guys. I got something. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Don't come over here. It's stink type shit. Um. Yeah, this guy gets fired, bro, because you lose all 3. I just don't know how these. How common is this? You know? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment what video I missed or what I should be reacting to type shit. Like, subscribe, help Lane get back to Goa, bro. I lost my passport. I can't afford my passport to get back home type shit. So your subscription and your likey and commenty should help me get that way type shit. Anyway, yeah, Lasha Klana BB type shit.